Welcome this video. Pot, home, decor, idea, elevate your space with style. Plants, pots are more than just contain for plants than are an integrated part of home decor. Add textile, color, and personalization to any space, whether you are perfect, a maximalist aesthetic, artistic charm, or a modern edge. There are endless a way to incorporating pot into your home decor. Here are some creative ideas to elevate your space with stylish plants, indoor greenery with statement pot, home planted bring leaf and freshness into your home, but the right pot can turn theme into term decoration elements. Consider create pouch with integrated design warm bring for a bamboo lock or cape pouch for a modern touch. Match the right color material of the pouch with your interior theme to create a control look and plants for various appear. It's your shot on space and plants are an excellent way to introducing gardening within full a table space in geometric multi-plants or hand pots can add a pot to your decor and theme need window in cottage, about dining table to create eye sketch, focal point. Thank